The programming flange is the physical extension of the SmoothTool software, allowing the welder to teach the welding path to the robot through moving the torch by hand. The programming flange has 3 buttons, 2 on the front and 1 on the back. The button on the back is a free drive button. When pressed, the robot can move around easily by hand. The 2 buttons on the front are used for programming or teaching the welding path. The top button has a red LED indicator light, and the lower button has a blue light. Each of the 2 buttons has a short and long press function. A short press on the blue button sets points in a linear weld segment, while a long press will change to the next programming step in the software. A short press on the red button sets points in a circular weld segment, while a long press will delete any previous set point in the program. To enable full programming by flange, the user must have a weld node selected in the programming tree and be in SmoothTool mode.